Yeah, nice, mate.
Come on, then, let's be silly.
Right,
I don't have any time for really outside riding, so I do all my miles on Zwift. So it's basically,
Yeah.
I'm like a weeknight warrior. I'm a weeknight. You know, there's like weekend warriors. I'm a weeknight warrior.
I mean, now that, to be honest, neither do I. I just do these mad rides when I can. But it's all Zwift training, really.
Yeah, there's always people on Zwift who are... Go on, Matt, sorry.
Well, I was just going to say, I've got a longish one coming up where, basically, because my wife's doing the kids, there's this ride near us called Carten, which is Cardiff to Denby.
Okay.
But I don't live in either of those. So I'm going to fly to Denby, cycle back, cycle from where I live to Cardiff, to then do Cardiff to Denby. So it's going to be a very long 2 days.
Oh, 2 days. So this 400 is London, Wales, London. Yeah.
That's an Audax then, is it?
Yeah, it's an Audax. Really silly. But it'll be fun.
Wow. Where in Wales?
Oh, it's literally just over the bridge. Like Chepstow.
Yeah. Yeah, nice.
It skirts it. The one at the weekend was nice though. Lap of the Isle of Wight, then a lap of the New Forest.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it was good.
Cool. Two of them trying to get off the front, same team.
Like the first one's only doing 3.
That suggests we don't react. I'm going for it.
I'd like him.
They're doing a nose.
Yeah. Can't even be mad. Respect.
Yeah.
Let's go jump over.
Oh, he's going.
All going, yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
That's enough. Don't waste any energy, really. That's them done. Oh, wow. Swarm of pink.
Stretched out if you want to push.
I think we should, yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah, I'll go through.
There's a gap. About 20th. Quite a big one.
If you can pull into second wheel, I'll sit on you.
Okay. Looks like it might come out to the... Oh, no.
Just keep pushing because we're coming into the hard bit.
Exactly.
Okay.
So if we string it out now, it might snap.
Yeah, the council sat there.
So the gap's about 25th, maybe 30. Here, 31 in the front loop. We dropped 15 guys.
Wonderfully silly.
Good job, guys.
Coming through.
Yeah, let him go. Nice, Matt.
Oh, just a much smaller group than used to be.
We're all here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
Going solo.
Wrong one. Certainly in that.
Only 35k, Matt, you're fine.
Yeah.
Are you first, Matt, or is there somebody in front of you?
Me.
First. Nice.
I had 25k solo yesterday, and that's
Let
sucked
them
enough.
close it.
Someone bridging to you.
Just sit on them.
Yeah.
The now power coming up soon.
No one's going with them, they're by themselves. Just let them waste energy. Let's keep the gap opening up.
Yeah, exactly.
Still more than jumpable if you need to. None of them are using draft particularly.
We've got our honorary sloth manatee in front of us. Ian's with us.
I've got one with me up front too. That's on.
Yeah, it's all
We're all on.
connected,
Yeah. Sit in. Recover.
but, it might actually be worth keeping the pace high. There's a lot of people here who've got big sprints. But 3.5-ish. Can't push through now.
Nice.
Let them do the chasing.
Yep.
Oh shit.
Good work, guys.
Yeah.
Not exactly plan A, but this is the keep punching him in the face tactic.
Yeah. The Tyson plan.
Yeah. They'll start to feel it in their legs soon, you know.
No one's really chasing squirrel.
Gonna power up fun.
So squirrel's out to 6 seconds.
Nice work, mate.
It's a bit of, did one of us gamble and bridge too, like Pete or Matt?
No,
No,
I
They
don't
get
think
2
so.
up? Or
you
Let
won't
them
get,
do it. Let them do it. In there.
you won't get
Look,
close.
stick on them flat. Do the same thing every lap. Let them bridge. Obviously, got to let them go. But we don't do the pulling.
Ian's coming across. I'm going to leave him out there.
Yeah.
Is that one of those manatees? No.
No, go with him, Matt. Go with him if you want.
No, you won't get across. Don't bother.
Right.
No, don't drag them past in. Just sit
I'm
on
not
in.
gonna. Yeah.
No, you got it.
Sorry, I was just momentum. I'm not the lightest guy in the world.
Cool, I'll follow that one.
That's coming up.
Cool, to follow.
A little bit of break in the pack. You should go. Nice, Pete.
Just sit on the front of that group and try and grow the gap.
Hey, Jay Chancer, you're pulling everyone back. Just take a breather.
All right, I'll sit.
Good job. Nice work, Pete.
Gopher is not a big body, so he won't be able to close, I don't think. He's a climber.
I think you can take offence to that. He's a brilliant 15-second sprinter.
Is he?
Yeah. He's light, but he's not. With no offence to Dave, he's not a climber.
Is he
He's
not?
got an awesome.
Yeah.
He's got an awesome short punch.
I think what I meant is he's not 100 kilos.
No, he won't hold you on the flat.
And he was the one leading the pack out, so
Yeah, no, it's a right call. I was just fact checking.
yeah, no, also,
Pack pace just slowed a lot.
I slowed, yeah. People are doubling.
yeah, I mean the pace is high, 44 kph average. I'm not surprised people are feeling it a bit. We're not going to do any chasing. Getting steady state, Pete.
What's the time gap looking like?
Looks like I've not got it, but it looks 10 seconds-ish to me.
Yeah,
8 seconds.
nice. It's good. Beyond 15, the group normally stops caring.
9 seconds.
Great work, Pete.
We'll see.
He's slowing as well.
Yeah. You're doing 3 kph faster than us, Pete. 2 kph. So just keep grinding it out at that pace.
None of the drops, people are trying to get back on the pack. So it seems just happy to sit.
To be fair, a lot of 7 riders, 1 minute 15 behind already. I don't think they'll climb back on, to be fair.
Yeah,
But one rider 20 seconds off.
He's not bad.
Yeah, there's just that one guy dangling, isn't there?
Yeah, CC.
He's only doing 2 though.
Bit of a plunge up here. Nice.
Yeah.
Doing great, Pete. Can't see you anymore.
Getting some shit off Mama.
They didn't read our plans then.
Right.
Yeah.
So negative. So negative.
Well, I think our attacks just hurt them in the end, didn't they? No one could
Yeah,
sacrifice their race for you. The plan
Well, I
worked,
think-
basically.
if we're going to do it again, we're just going to let Pete
Yeah.
with
Oh,
that
I think
grow.
once we
30,
properly up the road, we do it again, but
yeah, 30 seconds.
not want
Maybe
to
not.
stop
Maybe not
yet.
here.
Yeah.
No. Not for another half a lap at least, I don't think.
Yeah.
Again,
Please
just
consolidate.
wait till we
little
get
rest.
30-second gap. That's probably the.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
gives 3 strong attacks to have any chance of pulling it back. No one's going to do that.
No.
Yeah.
Again, just TT it like nice and smooth, save some energy, especially if the Greeks are
100%.
chasing hard.
Yeah.
No, we're doing like 2.5. 3.5, 3.
Yeah, and Boston in front.
Okay. The group might gain about 5 to 10 seconds through here. Just keep at it.
Yeah.
I'm afraid you don't get a draft fan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe. Or feather.
Wait till you lap people. Might be useful then.
That Dangler's now, he's going backwards, he's 32 seconds now. So this is our race here. That's it.
Quite a few manatees in this friend group. I'll look to attack them. And we've got this gap.
Go lead out.
Half-hearted.
Just follow.
Yeah, I got the fucking draft.
A lot of people are right on their limit. Like that Adam Bikeworks guy, averaging 3.4. His PB's 3.5.
Interesting.
We're going slow because people are suffering.
We're closing this flyer.
So just let the guy go solo. It's no risk at all.
Okay.
The only way we get across that is by 2 or 3 people attacking. and staying connected.
We'll bring the whole group, that's the problem.
Yeah.
Dangle.
That's
You've
the,
got to.
If he gets that from with Pete, yeah.
Sped's
If he
like,
gets that from with Pete, great effort.
yeah.
If we catch Pete, we'll probably just attack over the top, I think.
Yeah.
Because people will be on the limit. And we'll try and just get some napping then, but I don't think we're closing anymore after that hill.
No. Might gain a second or two of the power-ups and that's it. Then we've got a nice long bit of slow.
Oh, fucking another van.
Sorry, mate, I jinxed it.
Oops, there's a couple of manatees on the front, pushing.
I just thought you might want to see it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just keep going.
In here. It's deliberate. Yeah.
And we'll get close and probably ease back off here. Don't give in.
Now I don't get a draft. Figures.
Good work, Pete.
Mind a second, mate.
Can I slingshot you now? Is that okay? Cool.
Be entertaining.
Let's take a bit of extra draft.
Love it. Okay. Love it. Hey, fellas.
Don't lead it out, don't lead it out.
We're not. Two on the front.
Couple on the limit, I think.
Hope so. You better be.
You're well up the road.
Yeah, nice work. Very nice.
They're going to be tired from chasing. And all we've done is sit in, so not compete.
Yeah, he disagrees.
Just get some recovery, please. You don't need me to tell you that. The clown might be weighing you down, mate.
Oh, good work, man. Keep it up. You're doing great. Good job.
A lot of whining going on in this group, isn't there?
There isn't there?
Yeah.
This is tame. I get a lot worse normally.
Don't phone. It's just for fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just as we're executing our race plan.
I'm just messing about.
Yeah. We just happen to be good on plan.
Because you know what? Nobody here's the pro racer, actually. Nobody's getting paid.
No.
Wait, what?
I guess I should spend more time with my kids.
It's when you can be off the front and do like half walk, kilo less at the end. That's what gets me angry.
Yeah. He only averaged 3.
I'm only at 3.2.
It looks like 100 kg, so shut up. But no, to be fair, I think development B is perfect for the heavier, stronger rider. It's like almost that. That's the difference between. The difference between the front of B and the front of Dev's B is, I think, just weight.
Yeah, they do a lot of the same, but same watts, but 15 kilograms lighter.
Yeah.
It's a lot more training.
Yeah. Yeah.
Last time it flashed up, you had 20 seconds on my clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, 21 on my source.
Doing fantastically, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, drop into pace soon.
But just keep doing this plan, I think, and if you get 30 seconds next time around, we'll send another one up.
Yeah.
Not it.
Fair play, mate.
I think Matt's volunteering.
I did try at the start.
Like us in this last time, try to make it as tame as possible. For
100%.
not sure how we can do that, but don't push
Sometimes
it.
it's actually better to sit on the front and look like you're chasing your own teammate.
Agreed. Yeah.
They're all laughing while still gaining a second or two.
Yeah, lull them into complacency.
To be fair, I don't think this is the best course I've ever seen for a ZRL scratch race.
No,
Yeah, surprised.
Like TT2 maybe.
we're making it as tame as it can be.
Exactly. Oh well. An ultimate lap. That's what I'm
Yeah.
doing.
That French guy's killing himself. Jesus. Fair play to him.
Glad that I'll do it.
Yeah, definitely.
Drug the rest.
That's the spice taken out of the pack now. There was one guy trying to close and he's been gobbled.
The twos have got 5. I'm not sure anyone else has got that amount. We've got 6. So that's
Something.
11 of the 29. Well, no, we've got 5 because we've got Squirrel out front.
Power up again.
Yeah, remember last lap, probably not now, but last lap, probably hold on to an aero, otherwise you might lose out on the gamble. If you want an aero for the finish, that is.
It's not just you, Pete.
I'd probably take a feather, to be honest with you.
Yeah, agreed.
Yeah.
All 3 have views. But, this van doesn't.
Sloths. No. I'd love it if that was a mean bit of coding
Yeah.
in the race. Anybody out front getting
Yeah,
banned
if
only.
solo equals draft.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's more complicated than that coding, but that's an extent of my skills.
French guy's going again. Sunday. Murdering himself.
Yeah, I think they're pretty cooked the way they're like pushing and rolling off. Like, they're trying to make the whole pack go quicker. They don't want to sink themselves.
We have to make a decision what we do on this lap banner.
I know.
Because much as I want to leave Squirrell out there, I'm not sure we want to bunch the lottery of the book 30 sprints. I have to
We're
push it a
heavy
bit.
as well, and it's uphill training. That's the only other thing.
I'm gaining a couple of seconds a kilometre.
Yeah, I was going to say, so what I'm saying, Squirrell, is now is the time.
Yeah.
We've not been pushing at all. There
No,
have been occasional attacks from the group.
my
We're just chasing.
average so far is like 30 below FTP, 40 below FTP.
Nice work.
It was not like that in the first 5 minutes.
No.
Another van. Beautiful.
I know you're British, but you're still finding the energy to complain about it. Is that,
Yeah, kudos, man.
Just helps me keep my effort at the right level.
As I sit in this peloton, I'm thinking of Starship Troopers. I'm doing my part.
you've done it, mate.
The peloton is soft tapping at the minute, I would say.
Yeah, everyone got excited with the power ups. Now we're sitting in.
I think next lap, this might be the place to attack, to be honest.
Yeah,
It's like a little uphill, then a little downhill where our weight will help, and then quite a lot of flat, so if we can get a gap.
really. I was thinking maybe at the lap banner this time. Just make
Yeah,
it hard.
the only thing is people might be, they might all be trying to do that, but
But go
yeah.
early. Go early. Like, don't wait until the incline.
yeah,
As soon as it hits the cobbles, make it
go.
difficult.
It's the, yeah, I agree, Squirrel. Like the cobbles happen about a K before the actual climb. So if we sort of push there, it's quite draggy. Make it a longer effort. That might suit us.
If it fractures and if it doesn't, just sit.
Yeah. You can almost make the decision once you get to the top of the climb, having pushed for a bit.
Yeah. Fair, yeah.
Do that.
Happy with that.
So sink. And then just hit it at the cobbles.
Yeah.
Subject to anybody else doing it. All is now too pooped to complain. So,
Not quite.
20 seconds there, Squirrel, 21 seconds. You've
that's
extended
agreed.
since I last looked. Good work, mate. I think everyone just knows how they're going to have to work to get back onto him. No one fancies it.
Yeah. No, we could do it on their own, you see. Like, if it was all four of us chasing, we could probably chase someone down. There's
Yeah.
ones and twos on the other team.
Yeah.
Like, manatees won't commit to it, because collectively I don't think they'll have the raw watts. And the other riders, it's like ones or twos or threes.
Right, have a drink and get ready for this attack then, innit?
And look, even if we don't go clear, but we break it down and, you know, drop another 5 or 10, it's helpful.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's valid.
And then if we've got people stuck to us, what do we do then? That's the question, isn't it? Because we don't want to bring people back to Squirrell, really.
Just maintain. Just
it's like-
maintain.
I think it's,
Make it
numbers
hard.
game, isn't it?
Make it hard,
Yeah.
but don't close.
Yeah.
And if we've got 4 or 5 and they've only got 2 or 3, it might be worth closing it. Squirrell can sit in and you've got strength in numbers in a group of 15 or something.
Exactly.
They're just picking the pace up a little bit.
Yeah. Other people got the same idea.
It's just one guy.
Yeah, but
I'm just hanging at the back. I've got Martin marking me. The manatees.
Ha! Don't flip the elbow. Not us, mate.
it's,
Not yet, anyway. I think manatees are suspecting something, aren't they?
well, Ian's there, so they're well informed.
We'll be able to follow as well. Ian's really strong, right?
Yeah, very strong.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cobble's coming up, I think.
Yeah,
Make it hard.
Cool. 3,
yeah.
2, 1, let's go.
How hard is let's go? Just like
I'm doing 6.5.
6s.
Any gaps? Good.
Regroup, ready to go on slope. About 5 off the back.
That's all connected.
Jump together.
Guys, you're not.
Cool. No,
That's it up.
We tried.
yeah. Did anybody come off?
No, they got back on. About 5 food and tap that they got back on. But it's done some damage. Sitting now.
Yeah. Probably taking this thing out of us though, Squirrel, for you to get on there.
Yeah, I mean, that hurt me, so it hopefully hurt them as well.
Yeah.
Haha.
Manatees chasing. I think it's too light though.
Can I just go for a little nudge here?
Oh, thanks. I'd really need it. You're not going to break anyone here. It's going to kill me.
Just sit in, Sloths. Got a guy down the road that time.
If they held the last attack.
I've got a gap.
Okay.
Okay, no. No, they're back on.
They're all good enough. It's just going to kill any gap I have. Yeah, the group pace has gone up so much now.
Sit now, Sloth.
It's too late.
Yeah.
That last one did it.
I don't think he did, like, no one was on me, I just,
Yeah, it's just the pace. They've gained 4 more seconds while doing 2 watts per kilo. Here's what it is.
Good job, Bill.
It's slowed again. You've got the heart.
yeah, that's nothing.
It's no one's
Sloths,
working.
sit.
Yeah, no one's pulling higher than 2.5.
I need about 15 seconds. There's still someone in the pack who's averaged more than me. Here they come.
I think if you can get through this next power up, you'll be good.
Hopefully.
It always picks up speed here every lap,
Yeah.
so everyone just gets twitchy.
Yeah, that's it. Fuck.
No one's chasing him.
Doesn't matter.
No.
Coming across if you want to work with him.
I'll try.
That'll be an option. Two teams with no incentive to chase.
And with a majority.
Don't pull on the front. Just rotate.
I don't think we are, yeah. If anything, backing it up a bit.
Yeah.
We're going very easy here.
Only 2 or 3 rows back when it goes there. K.
You got this.
Yeah, do your job, man. Do your job.
We're not doing any lead out. I think we leave it to a sort of
We'll react.
come back down before the last up. We can go there, but we don't want to do a long one like last time because we'll catch them.
No. We'll react.
Yeah. Just chase anything, but don't lead it until the last bit. Galaxy doing a small dig, I think. Just trying to up the pace a bit.
Leave one rider out there though.
It's been an insane effort, Squirrel.
Yeah.
Last 2K, you got this.
Yeah, 17 seconds. You're going away, not coming back.
Fantastic work. And I reckon you've got to go for. He's light though, so.
It's not Gopher, it's Ian.
Was he not? Oh, right, okay. Pretty even match then. I thought it was Gopher.
No, it's Ian Sully, Ian. So he's got a good.
Oh, so you two can just
He's a great rider.
Yeah.
Don't tell him the odds. Come on, mate. You got it.
You got this.
No, tell me the 10.
Make him think you're more tired than you are.
100%. We're just light pedaling here.
Yes, stay away. It's too far now.
Right, we're on the cobbles.
Just keep an eye on any of it. I don't think people are very near because you get this. Good luck, everyone. Good luck for you. You get ready, good.
Good luck, all 1K.
Good luck, guys.
It's itching.
Good luck, everyone.
Tripped him.
I swear, squirrel.